And the winner of the 2019 AD HVAC Member of the Year is FW Webb Company.
All right, I'm glad I don't have to hear country western for that, because I don't like country western. I'm from Boston. So I've been sitting next to Bill tonight, and one of the things, I listen to Bill. He puts seeds into my head, and so long story short, I think we need to toast Bill Weisberg for 35 years at AD. So here's to Bill Weisberg. I'm on the board, so one of the things we do at board meetings is we indoctrinate new board members, and we make them sing the AD fight song, of which there is no such thing. So I would like all the new members here tonight, who has not been here tonight, to stand up. Because I won't make you sing, but I will toast you. So stand up, come on, all the newbies, come on, come on. Come on. I got 55 seconds left. Come on. Don't be bashful. Welcome. You are here at a really cool club. It's AD, it's independence, and you are part of a special team. Winning the members' HVAC award is a treat, it's a surprise, and it's an honor. I want to thank the AD staff, right? Wasn't that what I was supposed to do? And the FW Webb team for getting us to that point. And I have 10 seconds left, so here's to you, here's to us. Independence is the best. And let's keep going at it. Thank you very much.